Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So we're going to take a look at SPS today because the collaboration or partnership with Waka announced during the town hall yesterday seems to have caused quite a discussion in the Splinterlands community. And while of course you have some pros and cons when it comes to the partnership, whether or not the cards have limited supply, etc., I'm more interested to see what the impact of the announcement was on the SPS price action. And let's dive in. So looking at the SPS price action right here, even before the announcement yesterday, if you notice, from this low right here of around 10 cents all the way to the price now, SPS has actually already grown by 40%. So during the Bitcoin recovery that started from its capitulation right here, SPS has actually just gone sideways. And lo and behold, after 3 months of being under both the 21 and the 55 EMA, we have finally made progress and have gone past the 21 EMA a couple of days ago. This was before the announcement of the collaboration or the partnership with Waka. So the thing to note about SPS is when we lay down our risk threshold right here. So in the past video for SPS, we had established that we have two risk thresholds for SPS. One is the 14.5 cent range right here. The other one is the 22.68 range. And if you notice, we are meeting resistance at the risk threshold that we have set up before. So once again, this is a very good opportunity for accumulation because while we have made progress, we have been up 40% since the capitulation right here. Because we are meeting resistance, then the best course of action, of course, is we continue to accumulate accordingly. So this is still a very good DCA zone right here. One good thing about the SPS price action so far that's not really talked about is when you look at the recovery right here. Bitcoin capitulated a little bit more during this time. But if you notice, SPS has pretty much found a solid floor of around 10 cents. And has since either gone sideways or has slowly crept back up. In spite of the markets being down right now, the SPS price action has actually fallen just a little bit. And this is a far cry from before where whenever Bitcoin would dump, for example, a slight capitulation from a Bitcoin perspective leads to an SPS downfall right here. What does that mean for SPS? What that means is we may potentially really have found a solid floor right here of around 10 cents. Anything below here and nobody really wants to sell anymore. That is the reason why, in spite of everything else, majorly capitulating during this period, SPS has pretty much gone sideways, and once the markets have started to recover, if you notice, price has slowly crept back up ever since. Moving forward though, what am I looking forward to? As long as we do not break this risk threshold right here, then we continue to accumulate. Otherwise, what I'm waiting for so that we can confidently say that we are on our way up is we need to break through this risk threshold, back test it as support, then eventually the 55 EMA would creep up like this, break the 55 EMA, back test it as support before I can really confidently say that we are now officially on an uptrend. But until then, if you really believe in SPS and Splinterlands, then we continue our accumulation, and from there, let's see how it goes. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you want me to make a video about your favorite gaming crypto? Be a Patreon subscriber so you can request for it. Being a Patreon subscriber helps keep the channel sponsor, shill, and Moonboy free. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.